also got this volume that you look at too. This is much smaller. Or you can buy a really cheap, cheesy one.
I think I'm gonna go with the portable.
Yeah. I think hook this up too.
12 volts.
Either that or this one.
Whoa, what is it?
This is that freaking horn.
And it doesn't. Oh, it's like in replace of your regular horn?
Yeah.
Ouch! It's actually pretty sick. Oh man, it died.
I think you disconnected it.
Something's squealing. You hear it? I don't know what that is. This thing is tight. Because in that way, huh?
There's other fittings that are sitting on your seat.
Oh, sweet. Hey, that was a very good idea. I see why you just said to just do that. Pretty easy. It was good to have. It was moving. Oh yeah, look at that little movement.
Is it still moving the same amount as it was before?
Yeah. Oh, a little less. Is that, could that be a tranny? Or something just not lining up?
I'm not doing this. I don't know what's going on.
Because the clutch feels pretty darn stiff. This is very weird. See, this is why I needed your help.
Car's too low. I can't see shit.
I don't like how that moves. Could that just be something binding up in the clutch, like those broken pieces, and just kind of everything's being pushed forward?
Something's weird going on in there, yeah.
Yo, what is going on? We out here, it's freaking foggy. Very, very foggy. Oh yeah. Real nice and foggy. So, what we doing today is we are going to take my bumper off because we are doing clutch on the 84 E30. There she is. Very nice, very nice. Exciting times. So yeah, you guys get to find out how easy this front bumper can be taken off. It is very, very easy. I will start doing that now. It's literally 2 bolts, and you guys are gonna laugh because of how easy it gets to take them off. See if I maybe even do it with one hand. It'd be hilarious. So yeah, So what we're gonna be doing, see if I can find a tool, some sort. What is this? 12 and a 13 millimeter. That'd be sick if it was one of those. Sick! It's a 12. Anyways, so yeah, there's one. Yes, I gotta take this bumper off to get it up the curb because low life. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, it's just held on. It goes through the rebar. So, I gotta do some like radiator support work, so that's why it doesn't fit there, right? But I will figure out how to mount it up over here so it doesn't sag. So yeah, that's how you take that off. There she is. That's that, huh? So yeah. My girlfriends were gonna do it in the garage because they're sick and they like me. Yeah, my car looks sad though, honestly. Looks pretty sad, but I don't remember, but do what you gotta do. As long as I mean, it's getting painted anyways, the whole car's getting painted. I will not disclose the color yet, but yeah, it's getting painted. Let's see, right here, is that good? Up against the house. Alright. Yeah, that should be good. See any reason for that to fall off? And then there's that. Check out that fog. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's pretty foggy out here. Pretty cool day. Oh, there's my boppy. There's my dad. That's funny timing. I cannot zoom in. Sick.
And I was so comfortable, and he comes in and she's like, "Mom, Mom, Mom," and I open my eyes and I heard her a few times, and I open my eyes and she goes, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "I'm sleeping, punk." And they're like, "I've known her longer, so she loves me more, and she's our mom, no, she's my mom." So they were like, I'm like, "All right, you guys, I love you both the same." You can still eat these. It was cute. It was a cute way to go.
Okay.
You want to smoke, Abby?
You want more?
Oh my nose!
So, I'm back. Check it. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the clutch. It's a little less foggy out. Oh, is the clutch. Good stuff. Fun stuff, fun stuff. Pretty sweet. I did film it earlier, but my GoPro, unfortunately, while I was getting towed over here, is super grainy.
Back here before then, or what's the deal?
I have to look at all that stuff, or the chalk stuff, do the festival thingy, and I'm gonna grocery shopping afterwards, and then we're gonna bring all the stuff home and then go to the game.
Right there.
Oh.
That's right on that bolt.
Oh yeah, because that's the like for the stock jack. That front one.
Yeah, right in front of it.
But this is better
man.
for my own jack.
Actually, can you?
Oh yeah, huh? Is that enough room for the?
It's gonna be close.
Yeah, if it didn't have that silly handle on it.
Yeah.
But I kind of like the handle.
Yeah, so do I. Next.
Yep. Bummer. Oh, I always thought it was orange. Yeah. Or actually, I think it is that one because it's only like a half a handle, you know? So I think it is that one. Can you hold that up? Let's see if I can pick it up. Man, it's gonna be heavy.
Okay, set. I was gonna sit down so I can grab part of it.
Here, I got that. One more. Oh, okay. Grass just dumped all over me. I've got way too much back here. Valve cover, grill, clutch fan. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
You're fine. I was just setting that there so you can see where I have it.
Oh, thanks.
Just make sure that you have. That's it. Put it right in the front. You're pretty much lifting up both sides of the car.
Oh, that's cool.
You're about even.
Nice.
This is just because I feel like doing it. Okay. Whoa.
Oh, what happened?
Everything's spring loaded. Go ahead. You're fine. I was just setting that there so you can see where I have it.
Oh, thanks.
Just make sure that you have. That's it. Put it right in the front.
Yo, what the heck is going on? So sorry that the video cut, but the whole purpose for that is for you guys to tune in next Friday, because it's kind of gonna be like an every week thing. Hopefully, next Friday I'm gonna try to finish up the video every Friday and then post it on Saturday. So that's the whole purpose, really. I'm trying not to like split up the whole video up too much, but I did film quite a bit. But I just figured that give it a little sneak peek of what's to come. Most importantly, just make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be at e30_Drew. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna really try to keep the content up. I already ordered some new freaking parts, so that's pretty sick. Just like little stuff here and there. Really aiming to get this thing painted, so that's a priority. So yeah.
more thing. Please go ahead and check the description below for a link to SoundCloud. That's my boy Max. He had the song at the beginning and the end. Huge shout out to him. Thanks, bro, for letting me use your